Have you ever wondered how some educational experiences are just so much more engaging than others? What if we told you there's a secret sauce that transforms dry, dusty lectures into thrilling quests, making learning not just effective, but actually enjoyable? Welcome to Gamified Learning, where education meets entertainment and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Why does traditional learning often fail us? We struggle to stay focused. Information overload, retention is a challenge, and let's face it, sometimes it's just plain boring. Enter gamification, which is more than just adding points to your quiz. It's about transforming the entire learning experience. A study by McKinsey & Company found that a well-designed gamified experience can boost engagement by up to 2,000%. That's a massive improvement. But how do you achieve this? How do you turn a potentially mundane task into an exciting adventure? Let's dive into the core mechanics that make gamified learning tick. Points, badges, and leaderboards. These are the cornerstones of gamified learning. They tap into our innate desire for achievement and recognition. According to a study by Badgeville, 88% of learners are motivated by earning points and badges. Narrative and quest lines. By weaving a compelling story into the learning experience, learners are more likely to feel invested in the outcome. A study by e-learning industry found that 75% of learners are more engaged when learning is presented as a quest or a mission. Immediate feedback and progress tracking. Seeing your knowledge grow in real time is incredibly motivating. This is why gamified learning platforms provide instant feedback and clear progress indicators. Now, let's look at some real-world classrooms where gamified learning has been implemented with outstanding results. Duolingo, the language learning platform, uses daily streaks to motivate users to practice consistently. Classcraft, an in-class gamification platform, has transformed classroom management by turning students into avatars that earn experience points and badges for their participation and achievements. Khan Academy's mastery challenges have personalized the path to learning for millions by breaking down complex topics into digestible chunks and awarding badges upon completion of each section. The key to designing an effective gamified educational game is to first identify the core learning objective and then translate that into game mechanics. It's important to strike a balance between challenge and reward, keeping the learner in what psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi calls the flow state. This is a state of intense focus and complete immersion in a task. Finally, the design should be iterative with regular testing and feedback. This ensures that the game is constantly being refined and improved. Gamification is not just about making learning more effective. It's about making it more engaging, more fun, and ultimately more rewarding. It's about showing learners that education can be an exciting adventure, not just a chore. So the next time you're faced with a learning challenge, remember there's a world of possibilities out there where textbooks can become thrilling quests, and where knowledge is the ultimate treasure. Thanks for watching.